The importance of a resistor. Resistor is like a traffic police for electricity. It controls how much current flows. 1. Limits current. Protects components. Without a resistor, too much current would flow and burn LEDs, ICs, sensors. Example, an LED directly connected to a battery will blow. Add a resistor and it lives long. 2. Divides voltage. By using two resistors together, you can get a smaller voltage from a big one. Used in sensors, Arduino voltage dividers. Point 3. Controls brightness/speedols. Bigger resistor equals sign dimmer light motors/fans. Resistor can reduce speed speakers, controls volume. 4. Pull up/pull down. In circuits and microcontrollers like Arduino, resistors make sure a pin is not floating. It forces the pin to be either high or low so you don't get random readings. 5. STOPS interference. Resistors reduce noise and stabilize